What's up guys, this is Ashwin. Today you're going to be seeing me install some Apex stud kits on my BMW 135i. So like all my videos, or not like all my videos, but all my videos for the foreseeable future, this was recorded like 2 years ago. Like literally I've had this stud kit on the car for like 2 years, yeah. I actually really don't like wheel studs. I find it really hard to put the wheels back onto the car compared to if you have wheel bolts, because with the bolts you can like put the wheel on, you can like turn it on the hub and like line it up and then put the bolt in. I find that way easier than trying to turn the wheel and put it onto the studs. But the reason I still got these studs is because I want to run spacers. If you don't know, when you do spacers and you have bolts, you need to get longer bolts, and then you need to keep getting different bolts for different size spacers that you use. So basically, instead of having to like get different wheel bolts if I'm not happy with like my spacer fitment and everything, I just got this stud conversion. I can run up to I have the Apex 75mm, so you can run up to a 12mm spacer with that one. If you get the 90mm, there's another number that's right here. But yeah, so I've had no issues with this kit, you know. I mean it's a pretty basic thing, you know, but you know, the studs are not getting damaged or anything. The one thing I might do, or might have done differently, is get the bullet head instead of the hex head, just because I don't know, I have this like thing in the back of my mind. If someone wants to steal my wheels, they can just remove take it out with the hex. I mean, it's very unlikely, but whatever. It's just a minor thing. So yeah, I got the hex because I thought it'd be easier to install, but then I later realized you can do the double bolt method, and you can tighten the studs that way and torque it and everything. Yeah, that's the one thing I'd do differently, but other than that, looking proper. You can see I got the F80 brakes, but that's a video that's going to come out down the road, maybe 50 videos in. So I ended up running a 12mm spacer in the back, so I maxed it out, and you can see like there's no more threads, so I couldn't really run anything more than a 12 just because it's like bottomed out. You can't, like, there's no threads exposed. I have no spacers in the front right now. You can see the difference, you know, you have that much thread exposed, so it is a real thing. Like, don't get this and then put a 15 or like stuff like that. If you want to get a 15, get the 90mm thing, because you can always, you can always run a smaller spacer with the 90mm. It's just that it's going to stick out more. It's going to look like this, because if you look here, you can kind of see like the studs poke out a little bit. They poke a lot in the winter setup, and then like when you max them out, like, obviously you can't really see it. So that's what it is. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. Basically, Apex, they sent me the M14 lug bolt from the F series chassis of cars, instead of the M12 that the E series uses. So I had one that was the F series, so I couldn't install the lug conversion for one of the wheels. I just left the stock bolts on, and I left the conversion on all the other three just so I can drive around. But I contacted them, and they made it right really quick, no questions asked. They sent me out actually 3 E chassis lug bolts as a replacement, just so I can get this done. They expedited it out, came out really quick, so shout out to them for making it right really quick. I'm going to be doing the lug conversion for the last wheel now. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We'll do this stuff so fast. I just want to get rid of any just like debris and dust. You know that meme where it's like when I use my own brake clean, when I use the shop's brake clean, it's always the shop's brake clean out here. There you go. So just put some on there. That's probably too much, but you know. First try. Yeah. And yeah, it's gonna spin. So I got a trick so that you don't need to have someone holding the brake pedal. Definitely important to put Loctite, because you don't want this to fall off when you're driving. I believe this has to be torqued down to 25 foot-pounds, which I set this one to already from last time. Well, I don't even know what it was where it stopped recording, but I don't like how it looks without the spacers. Like how it juts out. Looks like those spikes that people put as lug nuts to look really stupid, but yeah. Anyways. So guys, that is the Apex stud install. It's looking kind of weird in the front right now because I don't have the spacers. It's looking good in the back because I do have spacers here, but I probably, well, I have to see because I have new wheel coming. New wheels, I got Apexes again, of course, to get the maximum width on stock body. Once I get the new wheels on, I'll get some spacers, measure it out, see what I need, and dial this in perfectly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. As I said, a lot of stuff planned, a lot of stuff to come, so stay tuned. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.